This is the copy of the slideshow viewer that I gave you last week called Miss Rennie's Slideshow. And this week's assignment 12.1 is to upload a PowerPoint presentation into this. In this case, it's going to be your essays. So what you do is in PowerPoint, you do File, Save As, Other Format, and save these as a PNG file or JPEG. Either one will work. I like to save them as PNGs. And when you do that, it'll ask you, do you want to save individual files or all of the slides? You say all of the slides, and it will rename them. And then in Second Life, you do File, Upload, and Bulk. And you find on your, I always move things to my desktop. It makes it easier for me. A folder named after that particular PowerPoint presentation, and in this case I have 10 slides. I'm not going to upload them because they're not relevant for our class, and it would cost 10 Linden dollars per slide. But then, and so tell me how much money you're going to need to do this. And then you upload the slides by saying open, and actually I think you have to select them all like that. And then say open, and then it's uploading all of them. Actually, it looks like I just did. You paid 10 lindens to upload. And there they come. One at a time, loading up slowly. Costing us money. Then once they're loaded, you're going to see them in your recent items. And they'll be called slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. So that they will load up in your presentation in order. So there are all 10. Then you put your slideshow viewer into Edit, go to the Contents tab, and simply drag those slides over into the Contents tab. It'll take a couple of minutes sometimes for them to go. That's okay. SL's being slow sometimes, but it works. Then you delete those slides that you don't want by doing a right click and delete. And when all is said and done, eventually those slides will be loaded up and we can see them. And then the rest of the assignment is that you take this slideshow viewer, and I would rename it. I would go to this general tab and rename it ETC SP10 12.1, and then your name. Pick it up, and then you need to give a copy of this. Make sure let's go into properties and make sure it's modifiable and copyable, and then give a copy to everyone in class.